Yeah. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long, long time. Yeah. This is how. Getting down. Yeah. Hey. This is how. I'll be getting down. This is how. It is really done, they can't figure out. They don't understand, so they want me down and out. Hey.
We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. Down for the count, but the hound strike back. It get like that. I don't wanna hear it, but you hit me right back. They told me take the L and move on. Heard it from somebody who's been taking L's their whole life. I don't know what you want. Passive when they play you. Expect the best from people like there's nothing they can do wrong. Seen this movie way too many times to be the fool for you to chew on. Nah, I'm not complaining, but there's things I can improve on. Why would I fight and retreat and not study and sleep and recover to be able to smother you with us for thumbs? I'm going ghost and I'm up to something. Or maybe I'm up to my wits' ends with all of your stiff trends. I'm sick of the system. I'm not into religion, I need something higher.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Antonio. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Enjoyed the last couple of videos. Guys, I've been busy like I've been saying, but hey, no excuses anymore. We're back on the YouTube, and I hope you guys are excited. I got a good one for you. Obviously, with Black Friday being a thing and sales going crazy for the Christmas holiday, I couldn't help myself but go on soccer.com and just start ordering some good stuff. I was like, you know what? I play a lot of soccer throughout the week and throughout the weekend, and I really wanted to get a cool couple of outfits for you guys and just for myself so I can look good, feel good on the field. You know, gotta play and look good out there, man. I gotta look sleek, you know. Like, look at these pants. Look at this Chelsea top, man. Let's go. I'm cleaning the house, so don't mind the mess in the bedroom, guys. But literally, I just got so excited. I pulled trigger on a couple of training tops and bottoms for like multiple teams like Tottenham, Chelsea, Barcelona. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do all different videos for it. But hey, here's the Chelsea top. I just wanted to break down things that I really like that are kind of surprising about the top and bottoms, and then give you guys an overall idea if this is one of the best ones I've purchased so far. So let's go. I think it's a great idea to obviously see how this fits on me, to see if it's gonna fit on you right. And like I said, I have some surprises that I wasn't even aware of, and that might make your decision a lot easier that you never even thought of considering before getting a training top for any team. So this is a Nike training top for Chelsea, obviously. And then we got the nice logo. It is like a grippy texture to it and feels really nice, super soft, and I really like it. So obviously the Nike check is going to be embroidered, and then the patch is also going to be embroidered onto the top. So that is a really nice look. It's white and gold for the text, the logo, and then gold for the check, and then the logo, like I mentioned, for Chelsea is gold and white, so it's super sleek. As for the sleeves, we have this really nice kind of like Spider-Man web look on both sleeves. They're identical, but they're really nice and just have like this little bit of flair that I really personally like. I didn't really notice that in the pictures, but it looks so sleek on. You guys like it? You guys like? Or no? We're not rocking with it. Then we have this split design where it jumps to white from blue, or this navy blue, to white on the sleeve, and it is really white polyester, super nice looking, and I like it a lot. Good contrast. And that rides all the way to the top and to the back, so you guys have an idea what that looks like. But it's super nice and comfortable. Now the collar does have some really nice touches that I'm going to touch on now. As for the collar, it has this Really nice split of gold. You guys can probably tell there. I like it a lot. And they have this elasticated part to the back too. You guys can tell it's elasticated here. So it's really nice though that you don't feel like super constricted and feel like you're gonna choke. So the elastic gold part on the back here does expand and stretch really well. It's elastic, so I like that touch because somebody's pulling on your top and then it's gonna rip. And obviously I just don't want to feel like I'm constricted and about to choke whenever I'm playing the game. So I want to be as comfortable as possible. But I really like the golden touch on the back. It's just really nice and sleek, and I just love the overall appearance because it gets a little bit more contrast on there. So I love it personally. Great. As for the zipper, it's just a standard zipper for a quarter zip. Really nice. And navy has this really nice little rubber material on it, so you can grab it really well and zip it all the way up. I'm gonna keep mine zipped down like usual, but I like it. It's hidden, it's discreet, it's clean. Nice. So here's the overall look of the top, guys. What do we think? It's really nice, personally speaking. I love it. You guys can tell I'm a big fan of this one. I think this might be my favorite, personally speaking. Even though I'm not a big Chelsea fan, I just love the top and just the overall colorway. It looks so clean. Moving to the bottoms here, guys. We have zipper pockets on the right. We have zipper pockets on the left, which is super nice. The embroidery patch on there as well. We have the embroidery of the Chelsea logo right there on the pants, and it is the opposite side of the top. So boom, boom. But it's super nice and clean. Look at the logo. It looks so nice with the gold and white. The Nike logo on the pants is also embroidered. It is opposite to the jacket here. So Nike, but it still looks really nice and clean. Pants are pretty straightforward. Have the top and large. The top is in large, guys, and then the bottoms are in large. But they have this really nice cuff. And let me just get in here really quick and show you guys. These have a cuff on the bottom, which I really like because it gives it such a nice aesthetic to the overall fit. And I think it's very just like clean and non-distracting. So I like that a lot, that these pants have it. It's nothing worse when your pants start flaring out and you're kicking the ball, in my opinion. I feel like it's super distracting. So to have that extra cuff in there, that extra detail, is a really nice touch on these pants. And I will say that some of the pants that I've ordered from Nike, from like Barcelona, for example, they don't have that cuff. So it's really cool that Nike added it for the Chelsea bottoms, and I really do like it. I'm a real big fan. So here's the overall top and bottoms for the Chelsea outfit, and I think they look sweet. All right, I mentioned that there are some things that I was not expecting about this top, and I did get the top on large, bottoms and large, but just talking the top initially here, the arm area is very tight. It is tight. Like, look at this. Look at this bicep, bro. So it is tight. It does feel a little bit constricting at first. You do get used to it. Luckily, the whole top is made out of polyester, so you do get some nice stretch in the whole outfit. So that's not that big of a deal, but if you do have really big arms, you may have to consider like sizing up potentially, because I'm telling you, I don't have the biggest arms in the world, but these things are fitting tight in here, man. They are tight. Other thing that I would have to consider is that since this is kind of like this rubberish textile material and it is really nice, I would definitely recommend doing like a cold wash, or at least flipping inside out your top so that way it doesn't get messed up, because it might get messed up in the washer and you're not going to be happy if it starts peeling off. So I've been doing a cold wash and then obviously flipping it inside out when I throw it into the washer. That way it just stays more durable. Another gripe is obviously the sleeves are white, and I don't know about you guys, but I sweat a lot when I play, and this left armpit, or this right armpit, excuse me, sweats a lot, and I've gotten arm stains that, you know, just kind of sit there after my session. They get all like brown. Must be from like my deodorant or whatever the case is. Maybe I do have to get better deodorant. But I will get like a stain that does go away. And I wanted to clean it to see if it went away, but it did go away. So we're all good. But that's something you're gonna have to consider with the white top version. Because obviously you might get a couple of stains and you're not gonna be super happy about it. But luckily I have played outside on this and like jumped around in dirt, and it's held up super well. So I have tested that for you guys, so nothing to worry there. So this is the whole top, guys. It looks super, super sleek, super nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Are you guys gonna be training in some Chelsea tops soon because of this? And what's your favorite team? What's your favorite top that's come out this year? I personally gotta give it to Chelsea on this one. I'll be coming out with a couple other ones, like a Tottenham top and bottom, and then a Barcelona top and bottom. So you guys can see those, because I've ordered them from soccer.com once again. Remember, I'm large on the bottoms, large on the top. I always get a question about that, so want to hone in on that. And then obviously the benefits of this one that I really like is the contrast in colors, and I really do like the cuffing on the bottoms because it keeps everything really tailored and clean. And I just love the overall aesthetic of this top. It's beautiful. All right, guys, well, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content here today. And I hope you guys have an amazing holiday break, holiday week, holiday month. Let's get after it and stay positive out there, guys. Let's go.